Hey guys, so I just wanted to go ahead and create a quick tutorial video. What to do when you go ahead and receive one of your uh, your your install kits in the mail with the package. So typically for quarter windows, what you would get is the spray bottle, an empty spray bottle. It's a 2 ounce, and then also your squeegee. Now, if you don't have a squeegee with you, you're able to even just use your regular like card. So it's as long as it's firm, you're able to use it to kind of push on a glass so that you'll get the pressure, the air bubbles out as you're doing your install. Now, for larger vehicles, for large panel vehicles, that does come with the installation kit. So no need to purchase it for the large panels. It does not come if you do make a replacement order for one side because you already have the kit pretty much. But typically for the kit for the large panel, you will get the same thing: the spray bottle, the squeegee, as well as your xacto. So when you're going through the doors and the sides when you need to trim, it will come with an xacto knife. It is very sharp, so guys, please be careful. The all other things you do need also when you do the large panel decals is typically just use the painter's tape. It works just fine. Scissors do help as well if you want to trim off some other excess parts and if you don't feel too comfortable to use the X-Acto, it's very useful. So right now I'm going to demonstrate how to mix the three fluids together in a 2 ounce bottle. Now, keep in mind you don't have to put so much of the regular dish soap and alcohol fluid, rubbing alcohol fluid. You just need enough. Okay, so let me demonstrate that for you right now. Just move this aside. Just don't want to get messy here. Let's just open a 2 ounce spray bottle. Now, just put a little bit. You don't have to put so much. Just a little bit in. I think that's about one pump, I would suppose. Now, the reason why you don't want to put so much, the bottle is very small. So, if you put way too much of the dish soap, your decal might not stick. Because pretty much dish soap is very, when you're trying to position the decal on there, it might take a little bit longer for drying time as well. So, keep in mind, you don't have to put so much dish soap. And then also a little bit of the rubbing alcohol here. Like I said, you don't have to put so much as well. You can also use this as a cleaning tool before you also install the decal. And then the rest just pretty much water. There you go. Just close this up. And then just mix it. Mix it good. So it's ready for when you're ready to use it. And I know you can see there's still dish soap on the bottom, so you want to mix that well. You don't want to gunk it up as you're spraying it on the glass or your side panel. And there you go. So like I said, all you need is dish soap, a little water, and some rubbing alcohol, and you're good to go. Thank you.